Okay, hello everyone, welcome back again. This is your African boy, myself Gabs Gabi. Yeah, and today I'm reacting to one of my African brother here by the name Shie Musa. I can say Musa. Yeah, it's so common and easy to pronounce. He's having a nice video by the title "Do Indian Girls Want to Date Black Guys?" So something curious, something interesting. By the way, I'm currently in India and I'm pretty sure he's in India. That's why he made a video like that. So we are going to watch what did those girls say. So let me see. I'm hoping to hear something nice. Yeah, don't forget, kindly show some love. Follow my reaction channel. You can follow him also. He has amazing, nice, good videos, guys. He usually do kind of interview. I watch a lot of his video. Yeah, what to follow. So let's start.
Would Indian women date black guys? Find out with me in this video. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment on my videos. So today I'm out here with
Mansi. Hello, I'm Nikita.
Hi guys, I'm Neha.
Preeti.
Hi guys, I am Mehrika.
Rama.
Palak.
Tanvi. Suhani.
Okay, that's really great. So I had only one question for you today.
Yeah.
The question that I had for you is, would you date an African?
Absolutely, I would love to. Yeah, I mean, no one has ever asked me, and I don't really have any interaction with many people, but I would love to.
Oh wow, that's really great. Is there any particular reason why, or we are just like open to as long as you have chemistry with someone?
Yeah, I'm just open to as long as I have the chemistry. I mean, I don't think why there should be a particular question as to African people or even African American people. Like, if your vibe matches with someone, then what's the matter? Just do it. Yeah.
He's literally open-minded.
There are lots of options in India why I would date an African guy, but yeah, I would surely love to visit Africa once. I'll date an Indian guy and I'll come to visit Africa with him.
That's actually a good idea.
Yeah.
So like my question is there any particular reason why you wouldn't date them besides like having options in India?
Yeah, it's actually we are Indians, so because of our family cultures, so according to them, they would like to marry an Indian guy only. So first preference and first priority we will give to Indian guy.
Oh,
That's
okay.
why.
Would I date an African guy? So it's like if the guy is good, like personality matters. So yeah,
Caring, loving.
yeah, he should be caring and loving. But obviously,
Respected girls.
obviously, I would like to date any culture's guy. Yeah.
Okay. So like what if maybe since you guys have different cultures and religion, don't you think that will be like a problem maybe?
Yeah, it can be a big problem because in India it's our culture to marry within our culture. So there would be a lot of struggles.
Okay, but you are willing to go through those struggles if it's necessary.
Obviously, if I like the guy and we are having a connection, so I would like to go for it.
Yeah, sure, why not? Even it would like dating someone different, and even we can improve our personality also because we can share a different kind of experience with them.
Okay, that's great. So like what about culture differences, religion and stuff? How are you going to deal with that?
That really doesn't matter until you like that person from inside and out.
Powerful.
Every person is individually beautiful.
Sorry guys, मैं नहीं अफ्रीकन गाइस को डेट कर सकती because I am पंजाबी और पंजाबी होते हैं जो you know like a brown guys, mustaches, big boy height, they're kind of like. But yeah, of course, Africans are also good. But I'm favoring.
Punjabi guys.
Yeah, I'm favoring Punjabi guys.
So you would date African guys?
Of course, if he is rich.
If he's rich.
That is it.
Oh, yeah, I mean, of course. I mean, wealth is really necessary in relationships, right?
Yes, but I'm not interested in the relationship because I am Punjabi and you know, Punjabi parents.
Punjabi have different rules there.
So like kind of like an
I told you I'm an ambivert girl. So I do like enjoy challenges, to be honest. So I would personally will date an African guy who's like in friendly and he can approach me nicely. I would do so. It would be a little bit tricky and difficult for me, because I never dated a guy.
Of course.
African guy, of course. So yeah, I would date if someone approaches me nicely and makes me feel special. I would personally sure do.
Oh wow, that's great. That's a great answer. And then what about you?
If my vibe matches with any type of person like African or everyday, I will definitely date you.
Okay, great.
Just no.
Why?
Like, I like Indian.
What about you?
I won't lie. So sorry, it's a no. Kind of. I won't be comfortable with them. I prefer Indian guys.
Culturally, of course, they prefer you to date Indians, right?
Yeah.
Wow, this video is really amazing. It's so good to hear and to listen to those people's opinion, guys. Like, okay, let me speak according to my own point of view, because I've been in India it's 4 years now, guys. Like, honestly, to say like to date an Indian girl or to get married to an Indian girl, dating, I can say, guys, dating is not something that hard. Like, it's possible. I can tell you it's possible. Like one girl said, if it's rich, that is possible. If you are rich, guys, it's possible to date. But we should understand dating is not marriage. That is totally big boundary, another something big, guys. So I know, like, it's not majority of Indian girls will never think of dating the African or say any black guy, because the Indian people, like, I came to know those people, like, they love their country. So if they love their country, why not to love their people? So this is the first advantage. And I came to find out that the way the Indians are taught, the way they are raised, like their parents never used to introduce them even about other people. Like, forget of the African. Even like, let's say if a girl is from Telangana state, you will find out that it's hard for her to know much about someone who is from Northeast India. It's really hard for the parent even to tell her that since you are from Telangana, North Indians are like this, like that. The parent will never do that. They will never tell something like that. They only focus on what matter about them, what matter about their place, the parents, the lifestyle, the tradition, the culture, the religion. This is only what they will master with her. So we are another continent. Just think about it. If Indian cannot themselves, they cannot share about the other state to their own people. Like, India has so many states, like, so if you ask someone from Kerala to tell you about the Telangana girls or boys, it's really complicated for them to tell exactly what is it. And at the same time, it is the same place as India, guys. This is what I came to know since I came India, guys. And this is the same thing. Like, that is why they will never think of such thing. It only happen accidentally, maybe when you met in a job, university, and what they said, if the vibe match, the chemistry match, maybe the girl like, because Indian girls, they are so emotional also. Maybe if they like the way you approach them, you treat them, some are so emotional and they might accept you. But marrying them, this is what I can say in percentage. I can say 5%. I can give this as 5% for Indian girl to marry African. I'm not saying like the European or the West. I'm saying African black guy, especially, guy. It's like 5%. Only if that girl, let's say, if she's coming from outside already, like a girl who grew outside, she grew maybe in Canada, UK, outside India, it's so easy for her to deal with black guy, or maybe possible for her to do it, and the parent will easily accept, because they know the lifestyle there is totally different. They will respect that. But from locally here, to go to Africa. It's really 5% chance, I'm saying. And this is what something I realized, and yeah, this is what I can say. And I want to hear from you guys. What do you think about this video? It's really amazing video. I need each and everyone watching this video, drop your own comment, guys. Forget about discrimination. We are just sharing this experience, guys, because in my country, in Africa, there is so many Indians. They're girls, they're like, not, I can't say girls, like say women, like people who go for job. They are already matured people. Mostly they go for job, they don't go for studies. So I don't know, maybe others have some relationship, something like that is there. It's possible also to happen, because I do have Indians who are working in African countries. So let me hear from you. What do you think about that, guys? Really nice video. Support this channel and don't forget, follow my channel up. Thank you.